Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. The first one, it may be a problem of your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. Just remove this application from the cache and open it again. Then check, maybe it fixes your problem. Also I recommend it to check if you have the last version of this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't it. Next one. If it didn't help you, we should check if you have the last software version, so open SOUNDPEATS application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Now, you click at the three lines at the left top, and right here we have Upgrade Firmware. Click on it, and they check for updates, and it says that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Right here at the bottom you will see a button download, and you just click on it. Next. If it also didn't help you, I recommend it to restart your phone or your tablet. And if it also didn't help you, the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, and then do not close the case, open the lid. At the back side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this button until this LED light flashed red 3 times. Firstly, enter to pairing mode, it's okay. Then we keep holding it. 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly let's move to the settings and Bluetooth or connected devices. Right here click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and then forget the device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it as device list. Just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!